Good. 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 Go, good. Go, good. Go. Go, good.
我看奇怪，气的不轻。Сэмми, мы с тобой 24 часа на 7.
He didn't respect the pecking order, Dad. I'm the senior pet in this house.
Ой, ой.
Sometimes, thinking oppositely can be a smart way to dodge problems. I can't believe you're so bad at spotting real from fake. Get some glasses, seriously. Does it bug you having a husband who's super jealous all the time, Miss White? So now I have to share treats and cuddles with that tiny human? Am I not cute enough for your kisses? Look at me, folks. Siblings' lives may seem harmonious, but the younger one never gets the giving in memo. Dogs are ready to compete with others in every aspect. Even hugging is not allowed to lose. Don't bother trying to be her favorite man. I'm always there before you. Get up!
Yo estoy un ratito, no tienes por qué. Déjame un ratito. Tú estás todo el tiempo.
If I were the husband, my married life would be a riot managing two wives, especially the shorter one. Having both a dog and a cat with intense needy vibes feels like fate wants to play a little joke on you. To dogs, toys are their friends, but when it's cuddle time, suddenly all toys turn into their sworn enemies. Getting a dog is like spicing up married life a bit, adding some fun twists and turns.
Hi, Maya. Hi, Maya. You're such a good girl. Yeah, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl, Maya. Hi, girl.
I put in all the effort to warm up your heart, boss, and I'm still a loser. What a twist of fate! He doesn't care about other owners. He's all about grandpa playtime. and not a fan of waiting in line. Short guys really hate it when their girls do this. It's like a mini blow to their ego. Puppies, whether big or small, have such delicate hearts and are always craving attention with their pure innocence. After all, men are still men who always think simply when they forget to balance their love for the overthinking girl.
Just leave him alone.
I can smell the drama here.
Stop it! Stop! That's naughty! Don't snarl at me. Put your teeth away.
She's smiling.
Go on, mate.
I'm glad you love my child, but he's not old enough to receive so many pets like this. Adding a Siberian Husky to married life can somehow put the husband's role in jeopardy. Why does he get all the pampering? We deserve our share too. It should go both ways. Even though fairness brings benefits to everyone, greed often lurks visibly, like the one in the back. When you fight with your owner right before lunch and receive the punishment. The clearer they express jealousy, the higher the chance they'll get teased by their owners. I'm tinier, so you gotta give in. You might eat it all at once.
See, just bite it. Gentle.
You shouldn't believe too much in what you see. His personality only comes out when you're asleep. Hey, why is there a family hug without me?
Bye, Mama.
I love you too. I love you.
Now, the one who used to be the favourite child is still in shock because his role got swiped unintentionally.
Can I touch Mama? Can I touch Mama? Can I touch Mama?
The mini husband today clearly wants to become the big husband. Sorry, bro.
Can I touch Mama? Touch Mama? Can I touch Mama?
If this is a compliment party, I deserve more than Mum. Some dudes get jealous when their girl's doing that, but still play it cool because they're simps. This is the last one. Thanks for watching.